Now here come students adjective endungen, the exercise which we solved. There was few verbs in those sentences which you should know to know the meaning of the sentence. So we did our nouns first. Then now we will go through the verbs also with the meanings. Only the meanings you should know. And for an extra benefit, I will also tell you how to conjugate those verbs. If you need it, you can watch it so that you can also use these verbs in different kinds of sentences when you want to use it. Now, these are all the verbs. So write it as it is. The meanings I'll be telling you. Then you can write it further. So passen, P-A-S-S-E-N. Passen, the meaning is to suit, S-U-I-T, oblique to fit, F-I-T. So if something suits you, like a particular color suits you or a particular top fits you, so this passen word is used. Okay, stehen and passen actually are alternative words to each other in this context. Okay, and both of these verbs are dative verb, students. So whenever this verb comes in the picture, generally whoever it suits, okay, because it is suiting, no, whoever it suits, that person becomes dative or that thing becomes dative, whoever this suits. Okay, now go for the next one. Finden is to find. Tragen is to wear, W-E-A-R. Mögen is to like, L-I-K-E. You like something, you can use this verb, mögen. Kennen, to know, K-N-O-W. K-N-O-W, to know. Like I know this particular person, I know this situation, that way. Schenken, to gift. Whenever you are gifting somebody, schenken. I am gifting it to my brother, I am gifting it to my sister, my friend. So to gift. Okay. Feiern is to celebrate. F-E-I-E-R-N it is, okay? Feiern. Möchten is to want or would like to. I want this particular thing. I want a shirt, I want a pizza, I want a cake. So möchten. Next word is vermieten. In vermieten, the meaning is to rent. Next, liegen. Liegen is to lie. So, for example, a book is lying on the table or a pencil is lying on the chair. Geben. Geben means to give, G-I-V-E. Wohnen is to stay or to live, L-I-V-E. Sollen is should. Whenever you advise someone, like you should be doing this, you should study hard. So whenever you give advice, it is sollen. Machen is, it has two meanings. One is to do, D-O, D for dog, do, and to make. Like for example, when you say Hausaufgaben machen, Hausaufgaben means homework. So we don't make homework, we do homework. Okay, or ich mache Pizza, for example. Normally we bake pizza, but I'm just using one example. Ich mache Pizza. So that time you cannot do pizza, you make pizza. If I'm saying party machen, so that time I cannot say I'm making party, I am doing a party. Like that it is. Machen has two meanings, to do and to make. Tanzen means to dance. Müssen means must, an obligation. You have no choice, you have to do it at any cost. Yeah, you have to. It also can be called at have to. Kaufen is to buy. Lesen is to read. Sehen is to see, S-E-E, to watch, to see. Treffen is to meet, M-E-E-T, meet. Now, these are the original forms of the verb, students. When this will come in the question, sometimes they will be conjugating it. So at least you should know how the conjugation can be. Like for passen, it is a very normal conjugation, like an S rule. S/Z, beta rule. Those who have gone through my channel, they know what is S rule. Yeah, if you don't know, go and check the S rule first. Stehen is a normal rule conjugation. Finden is a T oblique D rule conjugation. Tragen, actually this is a vocal verben, student. So the do form of it is trägst. Mögen is modal verben. Kennen is to, this kennen is a normal rule. Schenken is also a normal rule. Feiern is also actually a normal rule. Only make sure that wir and big Z and small z, it doesn't end with en over here. It ends with only n. Okay? Feiern. Möchten is a modal verben. Vermieten is a TD rule. T for tiger, D for dog. Liegen is a normal rule. Geben is vocal verben. Do form is gibst. G-I-B-S-T. Gibst. Wohnen is a normal. Sollen is a modal verben. Machen is a normal rule. Tanzen is S rule. S-Z beta rule. Müssen is modal verben. Kaufen normal. Lesen, student, vocal verben plus S rule. Okay. So the do form is list. And the RZS form is also leased. Okay. Same spelling. The others like a normal conjugation. Sehen is a vocal verben again. Do form is siehst. Treffen is again vocal verben. Do form is triffst. So this conjugation you keep in mind while learning the verbs. Verbs ka spelling. Verbs meanings in English. And verbs conjugation. This thing you can keep in your mind, and then you are ready for the work of adjective Endungen. Now whatever things are there in the playlist of adjective Endungen, all those things you need while solving adjective Endungen question. So please do it and do share it with your friends, whoever need it. And also once it is done, please do share it with me so that if you have any doubts, you can ask it to me in the comment or by personal message.